There was also an issue raised about the need for Meghalaya to have its territorial army. This was expressed by leaders of the MESO as well as the KSU. In fact, I had given this idea way back when I was the president of the KSU, and today we have received a note on the how do we go about and structure and initiate the process of having the territorial army. Apart from the state of Mizoram, which was mentioned by leaders of the MESO, one state which has already gone ahead and, in fact, has already established a full fledged territorial army is the state of Assam. So we will proactively and positively pursue the matter. And since this also concerns the union government, uh, all details relating to the territorial army will be shared with members of the cabinet. We are meeting on the 26th of this month, and we should be in a position to take this process and forward at this particular cabinet meet.